Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Garnier hair food out there. The Garnier Fructis Aloe Vera Plus Hair Food, now with an upgraded formula that promises 100 hours of intense moisture for both your hair and scalp. Let's start with what sets this product apart. The new Aloe Vera Plus Hair Food isn't just a rebrand, it's a complete formula upgrade. Garnier took their iconic hair mask and packed it with 100 times more concentrated aloe vera, combined with a powerful blend of essential vitamins C, E, and F. This isn't just about hydration. It's about locking in moisture for up to 100 hours, making it a serious contender for dry, dull, or dehydrated hair. What's interesting is its versatility. This product is marketed as a multi-use mask, and Garnier means it. You can use it in 3 different ways. First, as a scalp treatment. Simply massage it into your roots and rinse it off. This step helps to hydrate the scalp directly, which is a game changer for people dealing with dryness or itchiness. Second, use it as a conditioner on wet hair. Apply it, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse thoroughly. This seals the cuticles and helps retain that moisture boost. Third, apply it to dry or wet ends as a leave-in mask to deeply nourish and protect your hair throughout the day. The consistency of this product is creamy but not greasy, and despite being loaded with moisture, it doesn't weigh down the hair. It's especially helpful for normal to dry hair types that crave softness and manageability without feeling sticky or heavy. One of the major appeals of this hair mask is how clean the formulation is. It's 100% vegan, free from animal-derived ingredients, and certified by Cruelty Free International. That means you're using a product that's not only good for your hair, but also ethically developed and planet-friendly. And the scent? It has a light, refreshing aloe vera fragrance that's soothing but not overpowering, perfect for everyday use. In terms of packaging, it comes in a 400 ml tub, enough to last several weeks even with regular use. The size is generous, and the price point is accessible for the quality and the amount of product you get. This isn't just another conditioner. It's a multifunctional, vitamin-enriched moisture balm for your hair and scalp, made with care and intention. Whether you're struggling with dryness, looking for a simple hydration boost, or switching to a more ethical haircare routine, the Garnier Fructis Aloe Vera Plus Hair Food is a solid addition to your shelf. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. See you in the next one.